served 300 guests with me at the celebration of the triumphant homecoming for Regina Chioma Ezine, the matriarch of the Anyankah dynasty. So we were hired to be one of the caterers serving at this auspicious occasion, and our job description was to cook and serve 300 guests. Desperado.
That's my block for me.
Ubong, our latest graduate in town. Chapter 1's graduate.
You're welcome to Chapter 1's kitchen. Chapter 1 kitchen is based in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, but then our job offer came from Imo State and we had to travel, so why not? You can see how excited we are to serve at this occasion. So guys, if you feel distance is a barrier, trust me, Chapter 1 kitchen is ready and available to travel to cater your event. So give us a try out today. Yes. Here we are approaching Ngopala in Imo State. And guys, where we are traveling to is Obama is in Mbisi. So we just entered Imo State. This is still Ngopala Road. So we are still headed towards Mbisi Road. Yes. So guys, after about an hour 30 minutes, we had arrived at our destination and we're grateful to God for journey mercies. It was a smooth one actually. So we started unpacking and work began instantly. I introduce you to the boss and CEO of Chapter 1 Catering Services. This is Mrs. Chibisi Anyankah. She's so hardworking and she's an incredible boss too. Like I said, preparations began immediately and that's just what's happening here. We had started work. Work had started. Here guys, we had approached nightfall and this was about 7 p.m. or thereabouts, and we're drying tomatoes. Guys, you know what this is? This is ukwa. It's otherwise known as breadfruit, African breadfruit, and we served ukwa at this occasion. Do you know what that means? A little about ukwa. It is popularly known as African breadfruit and it is a staple food of the Igbos and the Remo people of Ogun State. This can be prepared in porridge form or it can even be fried. Ukwa is very rare and costly, so it's not an everyday meal. Big day tomorrow, so we had to retire to bed and sleep. Bye. Not bye, more like good night.
I go find una pay for YouTube. If I no see am. Henna, I go find my YouTube channel. Henna.
Sister. I need a bottle of Desperado.
Desperado.
That's my blood tonic.
No good if the one where I keep on. You shock you. I don't bring. I'll sell it times 5. You buy? Like, it's not good though.
Bye.
It's not good.
Thank you very much.
They play. Senior man.
Ma? I'm busy. You don't disturb me. I'm very busy.
Yes, I can see that
you
you're
don't
very
disturb me, please. I'm very, very busy.
Elvis. No, ma. Clap over graduate.
Yeah, that's it now.
Ubong did graduation today. Oh. See this one. They're too serious. Chibisi, who knows? It may be you next. Oh, you don't even want to graduate. No one will wear it from. No one. Senior man. Oh my god. Fine, beautiful ladies. Don't worry, you can't escape it. Your face show your shoe shine. Oh, to Baba. Ubong, our latest graduate in town. Chapter 1's graduate. So, often at Chapter 1's kitchen. Camera on standby.
Chapter 1 soup is wholesome. This is beautiful. with all the mende inside. Mende. That's good. Find your way to chapter 1.
Yes.
Call chapter 1 for all your events. Birthday celebration, funeral, whatever you're celebrating. Chapter 1 is the key to good food.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's already some minutes past 9 and we are done with 80% of the preparation. It's just remaining to cook the ukwa and the chicken sauce. Then we'll be done. But the ingredients are already set. So basically that's just it and clean up. So
You will serve for me, don't worry. Yep.
And here's how the service on that day went. We gave out menu to the guests and the guests had to tick what they wanted, and whatever they ticked, then we served. This is how the menu looks. Yes, so it made the service seamless and smooth. That way we were able to give the guests options and serve them appropriately.
As they come back, I locked the door. I didn't know Uncle Baba used to leave that door open for him.
Yeah.
They will know that this is not the way we wear it.
Yeah. And they are wearing our uniform.
At least the service is over. We are not going back to Port Harcourt.
Yes.
There's more space in the car.
And so we have come to the end of today's wonderful video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below in the comment section. Like and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Chibisi Anyankah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget you could book our services. The number will be listed in the description box below. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.